Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Flip 5, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. To do it, you need to open the control panel firstly and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you are using mobile data, disable the Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, disable the mobile data. Disable Bluetooth if you don't use it right now. Disable location services if you don't use maps right now or any application that needs to have access to your location. Disable nearby share. And cool. So all of these services are constantly searching for their networks, and this is constantly draining your battery life. Then, of course, you need to reduce the screen brightness, because this is the element that always enabled. But we need to open the display in settings and enable the dark mode. Why? Because here we have LED screen. Of course, liquid crystal screen can't be flexible, and here we have flex screen. Here we have LED screen, and it means that in the black places, so our screen was created not from liquid crystals, but from the lamps, and lamp can't make black color, okay? And it means that in black places, our screen is just disabled, and when we enable in the dark place, the biggest part of our screen is black, and it's not consuming battery power, so it will help you. Of course, then you need to find here motion smoothness and enable the standard mode with 60 Hz and click apply. Maybe then screen will not too smooth, but it will really great looks with the battery statistics, because it will use less battery power. Your screen will use less battery power in this way. And of course, the last aspect you can do is to open battery and device care, and here find the battery and enable the power saving mode. And in the power saving mode, your device will live longer. Is because this device disabling always on, it's limiting your processor speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, and turn off the 5G network. But you can enable the limit apps and home screen feature, and then enable the power saving mode. And in this way, you can see the super power saving mode, because here we can use only 8 applications, 4 pre-installed, and here you can add your favorite apps you need, for example Messenger or something about it. Some applications you really need, and in this way your device will live as long as it possible. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.